So, you're thinking about actually packing up, leaving the States and moving to France. Well, here's 10 things you need to know before you make that jump. Number 1, in the States you actually have realtors and brokers. In France we have a similar hierarchy. Basically we have the agent immobilier and the negotiators. The negotiators can be either commercial agents or salary negotiators. Most of you will be actually looking to talk to English speaking agents, and these often make the mistake of calling themselves estate agents. They are not. They are realtors, not brokers. The French estate agent refers to the agent immobilier, and he is the actual broker. Number 2, multi-listing systems. Unfortunately here in France it never really took off, mainly due to the fact that French estate agents are pretty paranoid about sharing information, but you might have noticed that already. So unfortunately it's down to you to actually go raking through the different websites trying to find properties. Number 3, the bon de visite. When you're visiting a house or several with an agent, they'll probably ask you to sign a bit of paperwork called a bon de visite, which declares you're visiting the houses with them, and it guarantees their fees if you want to move forward on one of those such properties. It also covers you for insurance reasons. It's giving you a valid reason to be in the house in case there is an accident. Number 4, when you visit a house in France, you'll have access to the Home Inspector's Report, which is called the DDT here, or Dossier Diagnostic Technique. But most agents refer to it as the Diagnostic, or even sometimes the JAG. Number 5, buyer's agents and seller's agents. Yes, they do exist in France, but to be honest, there's not that many buyer's agents. The actual French attitude towards it is the seller's agent is more polyvalent, in the sense that he actually takes on, but also goes looking for houses for you as well. So don't worry about trying to find one or the other, just contact who you contact and you should be okay. Number 6, if for your purchase you'll be needing a surveyor, in France this is what we call a géomètre or géomètre expert. He usually comes in once the initial contract is signed to come in and duly measure the actual land and take care of any necessary changes and registration of those changes. Number 7, purchase taxes and fees. In America, depending which state you're in, the purchase taxes vary between 2.9 and 7.25%. In France, the average sales tax is around 7.5% of the net sales price. There is some slight regional variations, but they're very minor. And all these fees are paid as part of the notary's fees, as part of his job is actually an official tax collector. Number 8, how long does your sale take? Well, basically from the day you agree to the actual offer to the final signing at notaries, so we're talking between 3 to 4 months. Please note that you can't move into the property before it's the final signing unless this is agreed at the time of negotiation. And number 9 of things you need to know before buying a house in France, or even before start looking, is it is well worth talking to a currency broker. Basically, when transferring funds over for the purchase or for whatever, going via a specialised currency broker can save you dollars. On average, between 2 and 5% on the transfer. So if you're talking $500,000, you're talking about a possible $25,000 gain. So well worth looking into. What's more, it's free. There's plenty of them out there. But if you actually want me to put you in contact with the broker I work with, just click at the top up here and it takes you to a link to a form. Well, number 10, if you got this far, you must be finding my videos interesting, so I'll save the best one for last. I'm now on buymeacoffee.com. So if you have enjoyed this and found it helpful, click on the link below, buy me a coffee, and I'll be more than happy. In the meantime, or just afterwards if you want, is actually click on the old like and subscribe bell buttons down there, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.